Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 35. A man walks 100 meter due west from a point X to Y. He then walks 100 meter due north to a point Z. Find the bearing of X from Z. A 195 degree, B 135 degree, C 225 degree, and D 045 degree. Now it is said that the man walks from what? He walks from a point X. Let's call this X. 100 meter due west. That's the left hand side. 100 meter to another point what? Y. Let's call this point Y. Then from point Y he moves 100 meters again north to a point what? To a point Z. Let's call this point Z. 100 meters. Now we're asked to find the bearing of X from Z. That is the bearing of this X from this Z. Now let's join X to Z. Now the bearing from X of X from Z is this angle from here to here. Now it is noted that what? Let's divide these angles now into two. Let's call this one angle X and let's call this angle Y. So the bearing of the man now, the bearing of the man of X from Z, bearing of X from Z is equals to what? X plus Y. But we already know that what? X is equals to 90 degree because it's a right angle. Right angle. So X is already what? 90 degrees. So for us to find the bearing now of X from Z, we have to know the value of Y. We have to know the value of Y. Now, since we have here to be 100 and here to be 100, we can find what's this angle here. Let's call this angle theta. We can find this angle theta, and like we know, this angle theta is equals to this what? To this Y. That's what? Alternate angles. So let's find this what? Angle theta first of all. Now angle theta, since we have 100 here, that is the opposite is 100 and the adjacent is 100, we can now use what? Tan theta. So we can simply say tan theta is equals to what? 100 over 100, which is equal to 1. So theta will be equals to what? Tan inverse of 1, and that is equals to 45 degree, meaning that theta is equals to 45 degree. And like I say, that theta is equals to what? Y. That is alternate angles. They are alternate angles, so they are equal. So we can now say that what? Angle Y is equals to what? 45 degree. Now since Y is equals to 45 degree, we can now simply say that what? We can now simply say that the bearing of X from Z, bearing of X from Z is equals to what? X plus Y, which is what? 90 plus 35 and plus 45 degree, and that is equals to what? 135 degree. So the bearing of X from Z is 135 degree, which is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.